Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths. Today we're going to be looking at counting in tens again, but this time we're going to practice counting forwards and backwards, and we're going to practice counting in groups of 10. So the first thing we do, just to warm us up, is we're going to count forwards in 10. So are you ready with me? We're even going to add in a clap to make it a little bit more fun. You ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay, a little bit faster, you ready? Ready, steady, go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Fantastic, well done. You are super at counting in tens. Now, here's the challenge. We're going to count backwards. I've got some pictures to help us to start with. So, if we're counting backwards, the first number we'd start from would be 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Well done. Let's see if we can do it now without the pictures. Are you ready? So we're going to start at 120 and count backwards to 0. So 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, nearly there, 30, 20, 10 and 0. Well done. We're going to do it a little bit quicker, so starting at 120. You ready? 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 and 0. Okay, let's do it in a whisper. So 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 and 0. And a silent cheer. Yeah! Fantastic, you are super at counting backwards as well. Now, our first job, we're going to count objects. We're going to count them into groups of 10. I'm going to use sweets to count mine, but you can use anything you find around your house. That'll be absolutely fine. Let's count our objects into groups of 10. So I've got my plate and I've got my sweets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 sweets on my first plate. So I'm going to put the number 10 there. So one group of 10. Let's do our next group. So I've already got one group of 10, so I'm going to start by counting on 10. And I'm going to add 10 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now I've got 20 sweets all together. And I've got one group of 10, two groups of 10. Let's add another. So here's my next plate. I've got 20 here, so 20 all together. I'm going to add another 10. So I'm going to start on the number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Put 30 there. One group of 10, two groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 30. So if I add 10 more, I wonder what number I'm going to have all together. What number comes after 30 when counting in tens? Here's my last plate. So we're going to start on 30 because that's where we got to. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Who else said 40? If you did, then well done. So I'm going to put 40 here. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10. So I've got 4 groups of 10. So all together, it makes 40 sweets. And just to practice, we're going to count them backwards. So 40, 30, 20, 10. 40, 30, 20, 10. 40, 30, 20, 10. I want you to do the exact same thing, but I want you to go all the way up to the number 100. So you will have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 items of whatever you've chosen. When you've done it, make sure you send me a picture and then I can see your work and we can mark your work. Also, if you would like a challenge, please come back when you've done your counting and done your grouping of tens and I will give you the superstar. You came back. I wasn't eating the sweets, I promise. They're for our maths. So you came back for the challenge, well done. I have a superstar challenge here on the board. If you complete this challenge, I will give you, drum roll, 10 dojos. Your challenge, the question says, Year 1 are going to paint eggs. There are 60 children in Year 1. I have this many eggs. Do I have enough eggs for all of Year 1? And can you explain your answer? When you've done it, written it down, make sure you send me a picture and I can see if you get the superstar 10 dojos. And I will see you again tomorrow for some more maths.